The HAPPRUN F5 projector delivers full HD 1080p visuals, 4K support, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity for an enhanced entertainment experience. Watch this video for proper setup and safe use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find HAPPRUN F5 projector, remote control, 100-inch projector screen, HDMI cable, power cable adapter, user manual. Product overview. Remote button function. How to use. Place the projector on a stable surface or mount it securely, then aim it at a wall or screen. Connect the power cable and press the power button to turn it on. Turn the focus dial to sharpen the image. Adjust the keystone dial to square the picture if needed. Repeat adjustments until the image is clear and properly aligned. Connect the projector and your phone to the same Wi-Fi network. Then select iOS Cast or Android Cast and start screen mirroring or cast from your device. Press the Settings/Menu button, open aspect ratio or digital zoom, then use the left-right arrows to adjust the image size from 100% to 75% for the best screen fit. Press the Settings button, open Projection Mode or Picture Flip, and select Front Desktop, Rear Desktop, Front Ceiling, or Rear Ceiling to match your installation setup. How to connect. Connect your device via HDMI, USB, or the included AV cable, then select the corresponding input source to start playback. Connect your device using HDMI, USB, or the included AV cable, then select the matching input source from the menu to access and play your content. Enable Bluetooth in the settings to pair wireless speakers or headphones, or connect external audio devices using the 3.5mm audio output jack for wired sound. Smart features? The HAPPRUN projector supports 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi for faster streaming, smoother gaming, and reduced lag with a stable connection. These supports image rotation modes, allowing you to flip or mirror the display for ceiling or rear projection setups. Adjust the orientation easily to enjoy correctly aligned picture from any angle. The F5 lets you adjust aspect ratios for retro games, classic shows, and modern widescreen content. Enjoy accurate image proportions without stretching or distortion across different formats. While the projector is equipped with an integrated high-fidelity, hi-fi speaker designed to deliver robust, clear sound right out of the box without requiring external speakers for casual viewing. Seamless integration with streaming devices allows the projector to effortlessly connect with popular options like Fire TV sticks and Chromecast, giving you direct access to a vast library of entertainment. The projector comes with a 100-inch foldable anti-crease screen and carrying bag for portable viewing. Enjoy outdoor movies with a complete setup without extra accessories. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your HAPPRUN F5 projector. See you in the next one.